Okay, here we go. Australian style one-way slides. Here's the tools we need for the task. Knipex pliers, made in Germany. Round nose plier, made in I don't know where. One snap-on screwdriver, and one Mad Jig vice grips, tape measure, number 27 wire. Your fire extinguisher just in case get fire. Oh no, that's on bell. Haha. Okay, here we go. How about hold it? First, we get your wire. Your wire. Cut them at 13 inches, which is probably what I normally use to work with. First bend at 5 inches. Okay, you need your helper bend to start. Grab about that much so you can get them in the tool. Here you go. Drop it in the tool. Get your dog or the latch or whatever you like call them. Once you get caught in there, you can crank. There you go. Crank 2 times. Line up the handle pretty much, and then you unscrew it off. You might need to help over here with the screwdriver because I made the coils a little bit too tight. There you go. Then you get the latch to unscrew itself. See that? See that? Unscrew itself. And we have our coils. Might be tight in some areas. That's why we have your screwdriver. And I spread them open, so it doesn't pinch your line, but not too far apart, so that the thing don't unscrew itself when you get your fish. And make your offset bends. This one. Two. And your other offset bend. Almost 90 degrees. And then you do your coil. This one, I can do them with my fingers because it's only 27 wire. Much easier to work with. Run them pretty tight. As it gets shorter, you can use your pliers to help. And like your typical haywire twist, bend, grab the tag end, bend 90 degrees. Boom, nice clean cut. See that? Might want to file this a little. It's your regular mill file, small one. And there you go. Basic one-way slide. Okay, now we're going to work on the swivel end. About that much. Make your loop. Pop your swivel on. Grip them with your plier. Oops. Sometimes on vice would be nice, but for purposes of this video, I'm just doing them with the pliers. Same principle here. Get your tag in, 90-degree bend to break it off. There you go. Straight. Then do your slight bend. There you go. Done.